After watching this video, you will be able to configure fees depending on enrollments, with the options of once-off, scheduled, optional, or new students only, all based on the configured enrollment types. We presume you have already viewed the enrollment types video before proceeding with this one. Select Manage from the main menu, then Fees and Levies, and finally Enrollment Based Fees. Enter the year you want to capture enrollment-based fees for in the year field and click Go. The following field is a drop-down menu. Select the appropriate program and then select a course. If the fees for all courses are the same, you can set the fees for all courses at once. This is typical for fees such as registration fees. Otherwise, select a course and then click the green button with a plus sign and the words fee in the top right corner. A modal window will appear. Begin with the field code or title. You must enter a unique code for the fee you are setting in this field. In this case, I'm only setting the registration fee code for N1. Then, in the next field, type the full title as you want it to appear on statements and invoices. Again, select the appropriate program from the drop-down, followed by the course from the next drop-down. Enter the fee amount in the amount fields on the same row as the enrollment type. After that, use the scrollbar on the far right of the modal window to navigate. When the option is Global is selected, this fee becomes mandatory. A one-time fee will not be available for scheduling. You can choose new students only if you don't want to charge existing students a fee. Finally, press the Save button. Hooray! You have created a one-time registration fee for a single course. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.